person who shot him and ran your daughter over was a woman.
You know that. This is an Alberta emergency alert. Town of Three Hills has issued a water quality alert. This alert is in effect for Three Hills. The drinking water for the town of Three Hills may be unsafe to drink or use due to a critical water main break. A boil water advisory is in effect for the town of Three Hills immediately after the water service becomes available. If you are in the affected area, do not consume. Boil water. Bring water to a rapid rolling boil for 1 minute prior to use. Drink bottled water only. Limit use for emergencies only. Take all necessary precautions. Follow the directions of local authorities. Seek medical attention if necessary. For details, visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.